Hi there, my name's John Erickson, living and working here in Los Angeles, California. I'm 6 feet tall, 185 pounds. I have a valid passport, and I am more than happy to shave or grow facial hair for this project. This? Just a habit. Don't mind it. What information were you given about that Carol? Where's Carol? Civilians disembark tomorrow. Ah, I see. Her too, huh? Hey, you two. Is that true? What Dawn said? Makes you want to put it through a lie detector. If only we had one on this ship. Exactly. And by the way, about Carol. Wonder if I should draw a first kill score mark on her plane as a surprise gift. Please don't do that. Could you not bring up Carol shooting down an enemy or talk about it in front of her? I see. Got it.